Frankenstein Designs, and I'm Kyle. In this episode, we'll be designing a water methanol injection block into a vacuum port block, and I'll show you that in a little bit. Alright, subscribe and like. Thanks, guys. Hi guys, so I'll be showing you how to draw this water meth and vacuum block into one piece. And yeah, so I already drew it up. Decided to do that before I turn on the camera, but I'll be doing the same thing, just a second one. So how this works is that, let's just do the water meth. The water meth will come through here, go into the solenoid. When the solenoid turns on, at say you set your water meth at turns on at 5 pounds, this will let the water meth go through this block. Then each and every port that the water meth is going into, it will spray out to each port. And the vacuum block, this will have a vacuum hose coming off your main manifold, and all these are going to be some auxiliary ports that you would need, and also this is going to mount on the firewall, so 2 holes to mount it. And yeah, it's pretty simple, but I think it's kind of cool. Alright, let's start. Get this spaced out. This here, I just like to use the lines. So click on that. When you know you click on it, it'll be green, so you can move it all the way around or stuff like that. Okay, so this water meth is 7 inches long. Alright, and this right here is the orbit, so you could turn it all around. This here is your pan, so you could move it like this. So go back to your pencil, your lines, and the red is your access point. Okay, so click like that, then hit backspace, 7 inches. Yeah. And also Control Z will erase it. So 7 inches. Okay, 7 inches right there. And the eraser is a eraser, and just erase that line. Alright. I'm going to just build up to here, so let's see what that height is at. 2 3/8. Hey. Now the blue axis line is going up and down, so just type in 2 and 3/8. Alright, you got that? Now go back over 7 inches. And there you go. You got the back side of this. Alright. Now let's do the bottom. The bottom is 1 1/8. So the green will be going forward and backwards. Said 1 1/8. Okay, there's that. Now I'll go to the other corner on the bottom and do the same thing. And connect the two lines together, just like that. Alright, then let's do it this way. So I just drew a line from this corner to there. And let's find the height of that. 3/4. So take your pencil and go up 3/4 on the back. Just like that. And let's see how far it could go. 1 7/8. Okay, 1 7/8 there. Now you have this here. Now you need to make a line to connect to that corner. Alright. So just like that. Then this one is 1/2 inch. So you need to go up 1/2 inch. And connect it like that. Alright, let's see how far down we need to bring this down. Alright, 1 1/8 from the top of here. Alright, we already got that. Oops. How do I want to do this? Alright. So this one needs to go down 3/8. Just like that. Okay. Now let's have 1 1/8. So go forward 1 1/8. There you go. Now you got that. And this one here, this line, we need to go find out how wide this is, which is 3/8. And 3/8 right there. Alright. We got all that. We could just go erase that, erase all this. And to select multiple lines, just hold down your left button on your mouse and go over all of them and just let go or erase them. So just like that. Then now you got your side profile, which is good. So you go ahead and take this. This right here is your push pull. So you can go like this, that. So you would need to go 7 inches. That's how long the block is. Alright. Now, I'm going to go ahead and make this right here. Let's see how high that is. So, and the blue, the light blue cursor dot is your middle point. So from here to there, there to there, that's the middle of it. So this is 5/8 high. So you find your middle point, which is right there, and go 5/8. Alright. Then as it looks like it, this is 3/8 wide. Alright, so I'm going to just build me a block just like this. And use my... So I'm going to just use my push pull, go this way with it, then use my orbit tool, click on this, and go the other way. And to line it up with the surface of this, you go ahead and find the middle point or the end point that will give you the right. Alright, next will be those corner pieces. Alright, so they're 1.5" from here to the end. So go find 1.5" and go there. Alright, that's where that is at. So you go just like that and do the same thing on this side. Alright, found that out. Now, right here, the zoom, it will give you more detail. Okay, now just make a line through the middle of it, and here's the center of the circle. So this is a 1/4 inch for that hole. So that's 1/4 inch right from this line here. So go 1/4 inch right there. And same thing on this side. Okay, now let's see what size those holes are. Alright, this right here, the shapes, I manually use a circle, but this tells you the center of the circle to the outside of the circle. So, like this here 3/16, I think that's like 3/8, I believe. 3/8 circle. Yeah, 3/8. So that's how they do it on this. So I need to go 3/16 on this point right here. Sometimes it's just a pain. There you go. 3/16. And same thing on the other side. There you go. So you could erase all these lines now. And use your push pull. And whoever is like dotted, that's what's doing push. Like that's doing push this. See? So I'm going to push this. And I'm going to just line up with this edge, same edge right there, and that part's starting to be gone. So line up the edge just like that. Alright, now we got that. Now let's go ahead and do this part. So, how am I doing this? I got it. So I'm going to just line up my edge from here and go all the way to there. This will Alright, let's do it this way maybe. I'm just going to go big, because I really don't know what it is. But, okay. So, there's dotted lines right here, so it's all even. Now you go out to here. There you go. Now you can make a straight line parallel with this here. Now you need to go over, and this is 9/16 over. Alright, so you actually really need this one, 1/2 inch down from the top. Alright, so go down 1/2 inch, go over 9/16, so 9/16. Okay, that's where your circle is going to be. Where your port hole will be. So this is 3/16. That means it's 3/8 port or a hole where your vacuum tube will go on to. So 3/16. There you go. Alright, that's for the vacuum. Now for the for the water meth, you need to find the center point of this. Sometimes it tells you right in the center, but usually you have to draw a line down. And do the same thing what we just did over there. Alright. I need a different angle. See, this is one of the reasons I don't like about Google SketchUp. It's just sometimes a pain in the ass. Alright, so this is working pretty well. So I extended my line out 3/4 of an inch. Then you have this red dotted line, which will be parallel with this side right here. So we know that this hole here is 3/4 inch from there. Alright. So go ahead and 3/4 of an inch here. And find what size this is. So 3/8. I forgot. Okay. So 3/16. Sweet. Now we got that. We could go do our vacuum ports right here. Alright, so way I did this is that I found the middle of this line here, then I cut it again, found another middle there, then I did another middle here to find each one. A little bit confusing, but they're all equal spaced out. Okay, so they're all equal spaced out. So let's find the middle here and find the middle there. Okay, now find the middle from this point to that point, which is right there. Okay, you done that? Now find the middle from this point to that point. And do the same thing on the other side. That point to this point. Okay, I just like to hurt circles, so I know which ones. Alright, same thing on the other side. Just do it quick. Okay. Okay guys, so it got this far. I put all the holes where they need to be. Next, since I just randomly did the size of a hole or circle, should say. So I'm going to go over here and measure how big those are. Those are a 1/4 inch. So come over here. Just erase that, erase that. Alright, now all we need 1/4 inch. Oh, 1/8 inch will do. 1/8 inch, and just do it for all of them. Just like that. Now just go back and erase all these. Now to get your nut will be so go to your where your circle is at, then go to the arrow that's pointing down, and this will pop up. Go to polygon, I don't think I gotta say it, but, and same thing, it goes from the middle out, so say to 3/8 bolt or 3/8 nut, and do that for all of them. Okay, good. Now, that was kind of useless, but whatever. Erase all those. Okay. Now let's see how far I need to go up with those. 3/16. And you also could do it just like that. Something that's the same height. Alright, now you can make your circle that will have the tube coming out. Where am I? So, to get your circle back, you go press this arrow again, then hit circle. but you make a line. So we wanted 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch outer diameter. Okay, got that far. I'm just going to erase all these lines that we don't need anymore. Okay, now let's measure how far up do I need to go over here. 1/2 inch. So I'm going to do something a little bit different than the other. So let's find that's not going to work right now. Alright, 1/2 inch. Make this line right there. Then I'm going to make 2 equal parts. So that'll be 1/4 inch. So there's 1/4 inch right there. Alright. So I'm gonna make this a little smaller. Yeah. Let's go up 1/4 inch. So that's 1/2 inch right there. Serious. I'll fix that later. And same thing as we just did over on all 4. There you go, 1/2 inch. Okay, now you have all your vacuum ports that you could hook into. Now will be your methanol injection ports, all of these. Okay, so a little bit more intensive than those, but basically the same thing. So there's the middle. It's that one. There's that one. Alright. Let's find how big this. These nuts are to the point. So down, I think that's 7/16. Not sure. Yeah. Alright, 1/4 inch. 7/16. Do that for all three of them. Quarter inch. Okay. Got that. Now let's come over here. .3/16 side. Go 3/16 on each one, just like this. Okay. Alright, where was I? Next would be making your circle. This piece right here. It's 3/16 tie, and this is the same width. 3/8. So find the middle of this. Go to your circle and 3/16 wide, and need to you need to go and do this. Use your push pull and go up 3/16 and do that for all three. Okay, go up 3/16 and go up with 3/16. Okay, and you can erase these now. We don't need them. Okay, now these are 1/4 inch. So now what we're making is this part right here. So 1/4 inch we need. So find your middle right there. I'll make 1/4 inch. Or 1/8 inch from the center out. Okay, go up 1/16, and it's not trying to find it. Then go out 3/16. There you go. Now you use your push pull and go up 1/16. There you go. Alright, that's one. Really you need to do all 6, but I'm going to show you these 3. It's the same there on the other side. Okay. So I'm doing off camera. I put these in. I'm going to go ahead and move this whole block over, so I could get better access to the ports on the side and the solenoid. The way to do that is that take your selector right here, your mouse kind of thing, and click the left button 3 times till it's highlighted all blue. Now, since that's all highlighted, take your move tool and go across the red axis. Let's just make it 4.5 inches. There you go. Okay. Now this one. Alright, since the this is going to be simple, I'm going to just do that now. So you would need to go into your arrow and go down to Pentagon. And 1/4 inch. So then go see mine over here. Yeah. Okay, this here is 1/4 inch. This here is 3/4. Oops. Go. Alright. Let's go 1/4 inch. And let's just bring that up there. Now let's go 3/4. There you go. So there's that. Now, looking to see how I did this. Let's look right here. So let's measure from there to there is 1/4 inch. Okay. So let's bring this out 1/4 inch. Just like that. Okay. Now let's start making a solenoid. Now let's look how big the solenoid is. 1 inch. Alright. One-inch solenoid. Let's go over here. So find the middle. Then go 1 inch. Okay, got that far. Now make another one, just like that. Doing this, we'll make the circle at this angle here. Sometimes There you go. Alright. At the wrong place. There you go. 1/2 inch. I forget sometimes. That's from the middle out. Okay. This part I really didn't measure. I just did what looks good. So go there. Just take your line tool and go on one line, and let's go the other way. 1/4 inch. Okay. Let's go a little bit more than that. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. Now this one here. So we're going to be making this here. I think I just did a 1/16 bigger. I did a 1/8 bigger, okay. So make a line to the center point. Go. There's 1/16, and this is 1/8. Being 1/8 from this edge to that edge. Alright. See how big I made this here. So 1 inch. Made that. So drag that out to 1 inch, and you could go through and erase that. Okay. Next thing will be this right here. Alright, let's measure this. That's 1 inch. So, I think that's 1/8 inch tall, I believe. Yeah, that's what I did. So find the middle again. I don't know where it is. Right there. Alright, now you need to go 1/8 big. 1/8. Come on now. No, I did it this way. Find the middle. Okay, here's that. Here's that. Okay, 1/2 inch. So now let's go 1/8 up with that. Okay. Where was I? Right there. Okay. Now get on to this side here, I guess. Hey, make a line if I can. Sometimes it's a pain. Okay, the pink line is this plane here. Okay, guys. So got this far. Now you take your arc tool right here. Click on this point. Click on that point. Now the arc starts in the middle of the bend. So I don't want it like that, so I'm doing zoom in, see if I can get it better. There you go. Oh, let's go right there. So after you got that done, erase all this stuff. So go look at it, get this view. Let me erase this. Alright, get that view and take your this one right here. It's called Follow Me, and what it does is that you click on this and it follows this line to make a round curve. Just like that. And just Google SketchUp makes blemishes like that, but I deal with it. Now this part where the fitting connects to that. So I'm going to just go through maybe and pull this through. Okay, just like that, I guess. Okay. Let me look on the other one and see how far that one comes out. Okay, that comes out at 1/8 inch. Not much. Let's go through, measure these things. 16ths. Looks like 1/8 inch. Alright. Hey, let's get back to this one. Okay. This one comes out 1/8 inch, just a little bit more than that. Eighth inch. Okay. Now let's go get your polygon and go to 1/4 inch right there. Come out 3/16. Then take your pencil and go like that. And this one needs to come out 1/8 inch. Now make one more smaller. Go to your circle. Go to 1/4 inch. Erase that, erase this. Go 1/16. Same thing on this side. Find the middle. Go 3/16 out. There you go. And there you go. We did it. Made a copy of this one to this one. And for like wording like this, just zoom in, take your hand and okay. For text, go into text, 3D text right here. Click on it. Enter your text. Say alright. And you could go and change the text or whatever you want to do with this. So you need to change your height, whatever height this is. This is 1/2 inch, so I'm just going to do 7/16, just a tiny bit smaller. And then you say place, and or yeah, try to place it in the middle. I don't think that's what it says, so do this over again. So there you go. You get the gist. But anyways, it's how you make your lettering and how you make this 2-in-1 block with water meth and vacuum block into one section. I think it's kind of cool, but whatever. Just a video to put out. See how you guys like it. But peace.